The Aosom Police Truck Ride-On is an exciting toy that allows children to engage in imaginative play with its working PA system and horn, making them feel like real police officers. Designed for children aged 18 months to 5 years, this ride-on car promotes balance and coordination with its realistic steering wheel feature. The underseat storage compartment is a thoughtful addition, letting kids bring along their favorite toys or lock up pretend criminals during their adventures. Safety is a top priority with this ride-on vehicle, featuring an anti-over-backward design to prevent tipping and ensuring kids can play safely. Parents will appreciate the easy assembly and the product's compliance with several safety certifications, offering peace of mind while their children play. With dimensions of 24.5 inches in length, 11.5 inches in width, and 17 inches in height, this ride-on is compact yet spacious enough for young children to enjoy.